We're always looking at what's new, and we really can learn from what our customers' needs are. I'm not a person that likes the status quo, and I'm always looking for what's different, what's new, and to move us forward. We have expert people, some of the best in the business when it comes to returnable packaging, people that are constantly looking at moving not only our processes, but our product line forward.
We've got a sales force that's spread all across the country, sales engineers and our regional account managers that have the knowledge and expertise to provide the best solutions that are in the industry.
The ORBIShield line of protective dunnage protects the part through transportation, assembly, and storage.
ORBIShield's all-encompassing of anything that can be protective, Class A surfaces, part segregation, containment. ORBIShield will cover everything that a customer will need.
I'm kind of a hands-on guy. When I go out to the customer and develop that protective packaging that they want, we can determine the appropriate protection for that part. It can be anything from Class A surfaces to non-Class A surfaces.
When you're moving Class A materials around, one of the things that you're looking at is not losing that product. There's a lot of cost in producing a Class A finish. Our product line that we offer for ORBIShield has a vast range of different types of materials that will suit those needs.
The dunnage itself is returnable. It's reusable, so they eliminate any kind of waste, such as expendable packaging. It's designed for the life of the program of the part. So if the program is good for 5 years, our dunnage is designed for lasting for that full 5 years or longer.
We're not a cookie cutter. We design specifically for that customer and their needs, and we think that we protect that product better than anybody else in the industry.
Whenever we design something in our ORBIShield product, we always try to get the max density we can, but also looking at our lean manufacturing principles, dealing with different customers, their line side ergonomics and line feed rates to make sure that we present the best package for them. We can import virtual mat data and actually design a virtual pack so the customer can review it to see exactly how the packaging will interface with their part without even having to cut a sample. So if they'd like to see something different, we can make the tweaks almost immediately and get something back to the customer right away.
What's nice about working here is you can design things very quickly. You can manufacture them, you can sample them, you can try the parts out with them, and it's a very quick turnaround, and it's very satisfying to see that kind of quick turn and see something that's well suited for the part.
Whether it's special laminates, special foams, we want to make sure that we're the leaders in the industry to provide the best material for the solution at the best price. We have several different machines that we utilize, whether it's our high-speed die cutter for large runs. We've got various flatbed die cutters, hot melt gluers, several specialty machines for heat sealing edges, sewing edges, hot wire bending materials to be able to hold corners. When customers come into Orbis, they can actually see what we can do. We've got the tools, the materials, the techniques, the people, and the processes to be able to give them a solution so they can be comfortable when they give us a project. We can handle it and we'll deliver.
We can provide them with the product needed, and they don't have to go out and shop several different customers.
You can get your pallets, your top caps, your bulk containers, your interior dunnage delivered to your plant with one purchase order. We can fill it with the ORBIShield product, so when they get it, all they have to do is put their parts in it, and away it goes. We're a one-stop shop.
Relationships with customers, being able to work with them on a daily basis in order to get that protective packaging to them on time. That's what ORBIS is all about.
It's not just about selling product to a customer, it's giving them the benefit of our product and showing where that benefit can help them.
ORBIS has been in just about every automotive plant in North America, just about every tier 1, every market segment you can think of, from a bakery tray to a pallet that could hold an engine block.
We continue to innovate. We continue to be the leader in the industry. That's the position that we want to maintain, and we don't want to rest on where we are today.
No matter what the solution is, that's what's best for the customer, and that's what we want to provide.
I can truly say it is a priority for us to be able to deliver each and every day to each and every customer.